Hello, and welcome back to Core English. In this lesson, we are learning some of the most important words in English: am, is, and are. These are special words. They help us say who we are, what something is, or how something is. So far, we have learned action words, words like run, eat, play. But not every sentence has an action like running or eating. Sometimes we are just saying that something exists or telling what it is. For this, English uses the words am, is, are. They come from the idea of the word be. They show the action of being. Here is how we use them. Am is used only with I. Is used with he, she, it, or one-person thing. Are is used with you, we, they, or more than one-person thing. Let's look at some simple sentences. I am happy. She is my friend. The cat is small. You are a student. They are players. These sentences don't show an action like running or eating. They show the action of being. Now let's practice together. I will say the who. You say am, is, or are. Ready? I. That's am. He is. You are. They are. She is. We are. We can also use these words to ask questions. We put am, is, are before the who. Am I late? Is she your friend? Are you ready? Let's review. We have learned am, is, are, special words that show the action of being. Use am with I. Use is with he, she, it, or one-person thing. Use are with you, we, they, or more than one. These words make statements and questions. Am, is, are some of the most common words in English. You will use them every day. Remember, am, is, are show the action of being. You are almost complete on level 1. Good work. Download your practice sheet for Lesson 6 at coreenglish.org and do the drills. Remember, practice makes perfect. In the next lesson, we will review all the Level 1 lessons so you know you really have it. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Or please consider making a donation to support our work at our website, coreenglish.org.